the shared whiteboard experience has undergone enhancements, introducing a host new features and styles. Among the additions are advanced tools to enrich your collaborative efforts. The highlighter function has been integrated into the shared whiteboard, allowing you to emphasize key points. Text input has been incorporated, complete with customizable colors, granting you the ability to personalize your annotations. Furthermore, the flexibility to draw, insert text into diagrams, and manipulate elements like colors, styles, and layers has been augmented, along with link insertion. Diverse shapes, diagrams, and UML have been expanded within the shared whiteboard. For instance, connecting a flowchart to a graph provides effortless modification to enclosed text. The array of available charts has also been amplified, granting you the freedom to adjust canvas placement and chart styles. An eraser tool has been introduced, enabling content removal from the canvas. A fresh set of icons has been infused into the shared whiteboard, complemented by the capability to insert and delete images. When collaboration demands the involvement of multiple participants, the collaboration feature can be activated. This facilitates real-time engagement, as participants' cursors become visible on the shared whiteboard, allowing for collective drawing on the canvas. Beyond this, manual creation of charts and the option to alter the canvas background color or reset it entirely are at your fingertips. Files can be opened, exported, and smoothly integrated into other meetings. Additionally, the option to preserve your work as picture ensures its lasting value.